So this is a quick overview of Drawify, a tool to help people create hand-drawn visual images for a range of uses, whether that's for PowerPoint slides, documents, or to create more visually inviting mural or Miro boards or those kinds of online facilitation tools. I'm just going to talk through how it's used, and so you can see very quick demo of the process. So here on the home page, you can see it just gives you a bit of an overview and some of the more recent visuals created here. And you can see Axel, one of the founders of the company, and the list of people who are involved. It's a whole range of us. So if you click on this, you get a lot more people who have been involved, including myself. The great thing about this is there's a whole range of different styles being used by the Drawifiers. So I'm going to go into my profile. I've already logged in. And I'm going to just click on here, and I'm going to use the Drawify tool, which is the heart really of the platform. So I'm going to do a project. I'm going to call this demo. I'm going to choose a screen size, make it sure it's landscape, and you can customize all of this, and then start. So what I then have on my left hand side here is a blank canvas, and I can start to do things with this. So I have a whole series of choices at the top of the screen. I can bring in images, templates, shapes, frames, backgrounds, text, or I can upload my own content into this area as well. So just as an example, I'm going to do a quick banner type thing for a piece of work. So I'm going to go to frames, and I'm just going to, in this case, just go down all of the frames available. There's quite a range. Currently we've got over 3,000 images on the site, and that's building. We're looking to have 15,000 by the end of 2021. And so I'm just going to go down and find something that I think is useful and then select it. So let me just go a bit further as it goes down. So I'm just going to choose this, double click on it. It comes onto the main play area. I'm going to resize it and make it slightly longer, so it's fitting into the area that I want. And now the great thing about this is I can recolor it. So up at the top here, I can choose the colors that are already in the drawing and adapt them. So I want to make this green. Done. Fantastic. And you can do that with all of the colours available on any of the drawings. So I've got my drawing there, the kind of frame. I'm then going to switch to images, and I'm going to switch to team. I'm just going to search on the word team, and there's quite a lot of images here from myself and a range of other people. And I'm just going to pick one that I think is particularly appropriate for this demonstration. So I'm going to just click, for example, let's do, I guess, something like this. So quite a fun image. I'm going to rotate it, to flip it to this side here, make it slightly bigger. So I'm just going to edit the size here, and it's on top at the moment. You can change where they fit, just like you could do in a PowerPoint presentation. And I'm going to make the green fit the green that's already here. So I'm going to put those green trousers. I'm going to click the red, make them have a green jumper also, and make this person's wonderful blue trousers also green. So again, I'm going for a bit of a green theme here. And then I'm going to add my text to this. So I'm going to go to the text tool and add my text in. So there's a whole range of different text types available. So you can see there lots of different types. Quite a few of them have been hand drawn. So your, and then again, I click this here, it's going to produce it into the middle, and then bring it in, make it a bit bigger. Ideas. Bring that into here as well, and then I'm going to do here, make that in capitals, bring that in here, and I'm going to make this red text. So click on the colour of the text, make it red, and make that a bit bigger. So you can see very quickly I've come up with a simple visual which might go on a mural board or a Miro board, and then I can use that. So I save this so it doesn't get lost, and then I can download it, and I get the option to download as a PNG or a JPEG. So I'm going to download it as JPEG, so all the PNG, so all the backgrounds remain clear, and then that's ready to be used basically. So that's as simple as it gets, so all done. If I go back to myself, my project, you can see here are some examples that I've done already. So I did a similar share resources before, and I've been creating a few for different exercises and activities. So just put this one up so you can see it. So this is quite big, but this is one for a quick check-in of people that I did last week as part of a reconnect after working with a group, and I hadn't seen them for a year. So I'm going to bring the slides down here so it fits on the screen. Still needs a bit more sizing on it, looks like here. So bring it down and bring it even further down. It looks like this is quite a big image, so it's not going to fit necessarily here on the slide. Let's see if I can bring it down this way. Yeah, there we are. So you can see it this way. So similar idea, frame, lots of text, lots of ideas to get the people thinking about the session that I was running for them. So then I can get into edit mode and I can go back to this old image and I can edit it and change it and update it and so forth. So that's pretty much the tool. As I mentioned, I think right now we've got over 3,000 images. We're doing these all the time, and you can always reach out to our team and request more images. So if you've got feedback or you need help, you can reach out, and you can add in your own images as well. So you can create your own mini library of things if you wanted to, but it's a real simple way of creating simple visuals for charts, flip charts, if you want to print them large, Miro, mural, PowerPoint documents and all those kinds of things. So kind of pretty much ready to go in that sense. So that's a quick overview of Drawify. Please do have a play with it. There's lots of there's a freemium version, so you can have a basic play with it, and then the cost isn't that much. So if you're a facilitator, coach, trainer, or communications person, I think probably the cost is worth it, because you can customize this, and again, we can do additional drawings to fit your needs. So that's the Drawify tool. Thanks for listening.